everyone, and today I've got the 12th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver from Toy Master in Oma in the High Street. Go there and get 12th Doctor or 12th Sonic Screwdriver like I've got 12th Sonic Screwdriver. It is awesome. Look at this. You just place your fingers here, back and front, on this little black part, and it will make a noise. And you can change it by doing it again. This is my favourite one. And you can also do this. If you press this little button here, you can see it. You do that. Pop open, and you can still do noise. Oh, don't sonic the tablet, because I don't want to end the video yet, do I? So I haven't made a video in ages. I will be making a Christmas Doctor episode, but I haven't chose yet. Well, you guys haven't chose yet. Choose Christmas Doctor episode. I don't know. And in a sec, I'm going to show you my bedroom upgrade, because my mom moved it around and stuff on there. And there's not much other features to Sonic. What's up with this? Well, goodbye, people. Ta-ta.